I'm driving a truck on a mountain road, got a hot rod rig and I'm flying low. My eyes are filled with diesel smoke, these hairpin curves ain't no joke. Diesel smoke, dangerous curves. Out last night drinking beer with the guys, got an aching head and the bloodshot eyes. Ended up with a pretty little dame, I didn't even know her name. Diesel smoke, dangerous curves. If I deliver this hotshot freight, I gotta get going 'cause I'm running late. This mountain grade is mighty steep, I can't stay awake, ain't I had no sleep. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. I got a gal at the bottom of the grade, she's got the coffee already made. Gotta keep my eyes up on the road, I'm going downhill with a heavy load. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. Must have closed my eyes a while, 'cause here I am a-running wild. I burned my brakes and stripped my gears, I'm gonna have to ride her down, I fear. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve. I should have left the women alone. It's too late now 'cause I think I'm gone. I got myself in this fix all because I tried to mix. Diesel smoke, dangerous curve.